Our singular obsession of tearing down what's come before us has left us jaded and cynical. We feel that we've seen it all before, and in some ways we have, because it's the current year, and we've been around the block more than once. But the thing is, whenever I go for a walk in my neighborhood, there's always something a little different. Maybe it's a flower, or someone finished work on their house and you can see the work that was put into it and you can tell that they wanted it to look good. I live in a very beautiful neighborhood. I just have to say that there. The worst house in the best neighborhood I can afford. And if it's the people that created something that you have a problem with, you can, in fact, look past that. You don't have to take in everything being sold to you by an individual. You don't have to write something off because you disagree with the viewpoints or the life that this other person lived, because they aren't you. But they still have something to teach you. We all have something to teach each other. Only through our suspension of the impulse to destroy can we find the innate beauty inherent within creation itself. In order for us to enact and fulfill our role as cultural custodians, we have to learn to teach and relate what speaks to us to those whom we interact with. It is our duty to ourselves and to each other to learn how to do this, because if we can't, then our entire system collapses into relativism. The fact that we can make decisions as to what is and isn't meaningful to ourselves implies that we have things that we inherently view as more worthy than others. And it's okay to honor and respect that, because we need to in order to make sense of this world.